I think it gives you a lot of flexibility with being able to really like see your design modeled before you start going into like having the physical item. So in the 3D printing process, the support that builds up while it's printing, they end up removing. It's like underneath it. The structures that I have attached to my prints are actually the sprues that I use for casting. So with the casting process, the molten metal needs a pathway to get to your piece from like the initial starting point. So being able to print them on is like amazing. Yeah, being able to reprint it. If I had carved it by hand and then like the casting failed, then I would be back at square one. But meanwhile, like I can just reprint it, which is awesome. Like if I need to make an alteration, I can go in and either like recreate the structure or go in and kind of like take out parts of it and like rejoin things. I think it's a great tool at the very least. Like, and whether or not you use it for like your end process or not, I think that it's a really great thing to be able to utilize.